Downloading and installing the app. As you already know that an app is a software program. Hence, to use any app, you need to first install it on your mobile device. As we have already learned, Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store are the most commonly used app stores.
Among these two, Google's Play Store is more popular due to the huge market of Android devices. So let's learn how to install an app from the Google's Play Store on an Android device.
To download and install an app on an Android device, perform the following steps. Step 1. Tap on the Play Store icon of your Android mobile. The home screen of the Google's Play Store appears. Step 2. Type the name of the app or related keyword in the Search for Apps and Games box at the top. In our case, we have typed
the Duolingo keyword.
A list of related apps appear.
Tap on the app you want to install. In our case, we have tapped the Duolingo Learn English free app.
Step 4. Tap on the Install button. The downloading of the app will start. When the downloading is completed, the installation process will start automatically. Within few seconds, your app will be installed on your mobile.
Step 5. The icon of the app will appear on your screen.